This is an emergency alert issued at the request of the United States government and Center for Disease Control and Prevention. As of the last few days, hospitals and clinics nationwide have become overwhelmed with patients suffering from a yet unknown disease. This disease has been named the MRVA virus, or the death flares virus, due to its high mortality and infection rates. Current estimates estimate that over 105,000 people have become infected. The death toll at this time is currently unknown, but it is believed to be somewhere around 27,000 people. The United States government will now be issuing a quarantine order for all major population centers within the lower 48 U.S. states. Please do not leave your shelters until the quarantine order has been lifted. If any civilian is found not complying with the quarantine order, they will be shot on sight by U.S. National Guardsmen. You have been warned. If you or a relative have become infected, please do not seek medical attention. Hospitals have become overwhelmed, and there is no promise that you will receive aid. We ask that you stay informed about developments related to the MRVA virus, use news networks or radio.